Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Elasticsearch for log analytics and search detailed guide step by step clearly. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be redirected to a page that offers various plans for Elasticsearch. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's the free trial or a paid subscription. You will need to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required fields, including your email, name, and password. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the Elasticsearch dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Subscription tab. Review the details of your chosen plan, including pricing and features. If you are satisfied, proceed to the Payment section. Enter your payment information, ensuring it is accurate and up to date. Confirm the payment to activate your subscription. Once your subscription is activated, you can access all the features of Elasticsearch. Start integrating your log data into Elasticsearch for analytics and search. Utilize the API or the UI to begin ingesting logs from various sources. Explore the range of tools available for visualizing and analyzing your logs. Familiarize yourself with the Elasticsearch documentation for best practices. Stay updated with any changes or enhancements to your subscription features through your account dashboard. With your subscription active, you are now ready to leverage Elasticsearch for powerful log analytics and search capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.